to change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we.
Good morning, good morning. It's content day, so what I did was came up with a schedule. I am not on schedule. I'm like behind. Yeah, behind. But I'm gonna figure it out. So what was supposed to happen, 9 to 10, wake up, shower, breakfast, 10 to 12, edit video, 12 to 1, setup, 1 to 2, makeup, 2 to 4, content, and then 6:45, I was gonna go to a movie. It is 11:57, and now I'm just starting on the video. It shouldn't take me too long. Well, the good thing is that I woke up in the middle of the night, so I got up. I actually started cleaning up, and then I pulled my outfits for some of the videos, and I went ahead and got my TikTok videos together that I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I cut a little time off there. My stuff is ready for me to shoot in. We'll see. Okay, but first I'm finna edit this video. So right now it is 11:58. So I'll check back in and let you know my progress throughout the day on this content day. All right, so video is edited and currently uploading. It is 2:09. So now what I'm about to do is start with my makeup. The transition for that, start with my makeup, and then go ahead and start with my content. So we about to get into it, y'all. Okay, so I'm about to set up in here. I'm gonna put this curtain that I have up, and then I'm gonna put balloons on the wall to give it that Valentine's vibe. So we're gonna see how this go. I think I'm gonna just use a hammer because I don't have time for all this. And it's just a rod I got off of Amazon. Ow. Okay. It's not wide enough. It's not long enough, y'all. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna have to order another rod. Yeah. Let me order another rod. Why my ring light just fell? Ah! Makeup done. Okay, so now it's time for me to finish setting up. I had to order, so I had balloons, but I thought they were heart balloons. They weren't. So I ordered some from the Dollar Tree. Then I also ordered the curtain rod. So let's pray this one works. And it's actually the same little setup. Hopefully this fits in there. Oh! Yes. Okay. So how do I get this open? Oh. Okay. It don't look like I'm gonna make that movie. This is why a man should be doing this. What did I put the hammer? Okay. Okay. Now this ain't fair. This is not right. Oh, this is gonna come right out too. You know what? I don't know if this is even gonna work, guys. Okay. Let's see if this gonna work. Okay. You definitely have to do it without the thing on the top. Oh! This doesn't work, y'all. I don't know how to do it. See if I can try these push pins for now until I can get my handyman over. Why? Oh. Okay. Woo. This is hard work, y'all. I done broke out in the sweat already. Guess what time it is? Yeah, no movies tonight. I'm gonna just put one up and I'll figure it out from there. is just turning into more than what it should be. You're not gonna be able to see the top in the video anyway. I'm sorry before I even start. All right. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, it's gonna look cute. I promise. Let me show you from another way. It's gonna be like this. I'll move that. Let me move it. Okay, yeah, it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. So we're gonna get right on into it, y'all. Ow, that hurt. Simple. Baby, I don't have the shoe all the way on either. I couldn't get it, and my assistant is not here. She would have helped me so much. I'm gonna have to call her and let her know. I was missing you today, girl. Don't look at the shoe. If you say something about this shoe, I couldn't get the buckle with my neck. Content is complete, but now I got a mess. Ah! Oh, this is a mess in here. Let me show you the mess in the other room. Ladder needs to go back. I gotta get it together, y'all. But luckily, assistant is here. Why is it so close? Huh? Fishy. She is. So I'll show you before and after. All right, she got me right together. Well, the ladder's still here. Oh, and the jackets are still there too. But
you don't rush me. I rush.
okay, assistant. I'm docking your pay. Okay, I'm going to bed. So that wraps up my content for tonight. So that goes to show you how long it can take, how you can run into challenges, even with perfect, proper planning, you can still run into issues, but my handyman is coming up to put that curtain rod up. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging with me as I went throughout my content day. Do y'all do content? What do your content days look like? Drop down in the comments and let me know. Make sure you like this video, and most importantly, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't